It's another 2-in-1 smartphone lens. What's up guys, Eyes here of coznowEIZcan. Thanks for visiting my channel. This is where I share my thoughts, feedback on tech items or gadgets that I use or pique my interest. When I learned from one of the viewers that the BC Master 2-in-1 lens kit has already been discontinued and you can't actually find it in Amazon anymore or order it from Amazon anymore, I was a bit disappointed because it was really a good set of 2-in-1 lens kit for your smartphone. So I went ahead and tried to look for an alternative. I saw the Todi 4K 2-in-1 lens kit and it was pretty interesting, especially the clip. That's why I picked it up. The Todi 4K lens comes in an average packaging. Now unboxing it, you'll be greeted by the 2-in-1 lens, covered by the lens cap at the front and also a lens cap at the back. Now beside it would be your lens clip system, which is the main reason why I purchased this set, because I was interested with how this works, as it's not your traditional clip that you get with your universal smartphone lenses, but more of a clamp screw-in system. So that's what I wanted to find out. Now for roughly $30, you will get a 110-degree wide-angle lens and your macro lens. But in order to use it, similar to a lot of 2-in-1 lens system, you have to put them together and mount it on the clip. The most beneficial way of mounting it to your phone that I realized was to actually attach it first and align and make sure that your lens is directly on top of your camera lens or your smartphone's camera. Now once you have aligned it properly and when you've checked your smartphone screen that you don't have those vignetting or those sides and everything is clear, now you can actually detach the lens and you will just leave your clip on your phone. Now let's check out some photos using this Todi 4K and comparing it with my S8 Plus native camera. As you can see, the wide angle does provide additional field of view, but looking closely on the pictures, there is a bit of degradation in focus. The center part of the picture is focused, but as you move farther away from the center, there is a good amount of blur that starts to happen. The macro shots, on the other hand, do provide a better zoom compared to the native camera of my Samsung S8 Plus, and I am able to see closer with the Todi 4K macro. Now for $30, the macro lens I would say is pretty decent, but the wide angle issue that I have where the focus starts to blur once you go outside of that specific center circle is not really that appealing. Most consumers, most of people who buy smartphone lenses want it for the wide angle. So if I only had a choice between the Todi 4K and my native camera, I will be sticking with the Samsung S8 Plus's native camera. So guys, there you go, the Todi 4K, which I purchased in Amazon. I'll still put the link on the description box below. If you guys are interested, you can still have a look. And if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, just feel free to leave them on the comments section below. If you like the video, thumbs up, and consider subscribing and hitting on the bell so that you get notified if I post something new. Alright guys, until the next video, thanks again for taking time, and let's all remember, we're all here to learn.